Capricorn, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Titingnan natin what's coming to you in the next 30 days from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to. Dahil ito ay isang timeless reading, anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. So, let's see what's coming to you, Capricorn, in the next 30 days for Capricorn. To the sea. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring you are kind of emotional, no? Yung parang sinusuppress nyo yung mga feelings nyo, nararamdaman nyo. Medyo malungkot, no? Ang energy na to for you, Capricorn. You feel like parang mag-isa ka lang, navigate yung buhay mo. Some of you are um, maaring solo parent, or yung iba naman ay parang ninanavigate nyo yung life on your own. Pwedeng malayo kayo sa mga mahal sa buhay ninyo, or you are isolating yourself, maybe because you are overwhelmed sa feelings, emotions na hindi mo na ilalabas. Yung iba sa inyo, yung inyong talents and skills ay mas matutuklasan nyo or madidiscover nyo kung gagawin nyo siyang outlet. Kasi maaring meron kayong mga abilities na sa ngayon hindi nyo pa na nalalaman or hindi nyo pa natutuklasan. Di ba yung iba kapag malungkot sila, they write songs o kaya they paint. Meron silang outlet, no? Merong yung energy na yon kino-convert nila into something creative. So maaring yung iba sa inyo, you are going to tap into your creative energies, creative talents, creative skills na galing sa emotion ninyo, like deep emotions. All that glitters. Hindi lahat ng kumikinang ay ginto. So maaring meron kang discovery about the things na akala mo ay makakabuti para sa'yo, pero hindi pala. So at least you finally realize, like nakita mo yung katotohanan. Natanggal yung mask. This can be a person in your life, no, na akala mo maganda yung intention ng taong to sa'yo, and then eventually lumabas yung totoo niyang kulay. Ganon, yung intention niya. So, at least, you know already, diba? Alam mo na. Let's see what else, Capricorn. For Capricorn in the next 30 days. Temperance. Capricorn, kapit lang. Kapit lang, malapit nang dumating yung big break ninyo, yung blessing ninyo. Okay? Temperance is about patience. Kumbaga para itong niluluto, no? Siyempre, hindi pa natin pwedeng kainin kapag hindi pa luto ang pagkain. So, nandun pa siya sa proseso. Kailangan natin maghintay. You have the Knight of Swords. Maaring meron kang makaaway talaga. Para makasagutan or someone na meron kayong hindi naging pagkakaunawaan ng taong to dahil sa patience. Hindi siya naging patient sa'yo, hindi ka naging patient sa kanya. So pay attention sa emotions mo. Huwag mong hayaan na magpadala ka sa emosyon mo. Kasi pwedeng may masaktan along the way dahil sa mga salita. You have the Four of Cups. Meron kang mga gusto sa buhay mo nang sa ngayon hindi mo pa nakukuha. Pero kung ano yung meron ka, maaaring hindi mo napapahalagahan, kaya hindi mo napapansin yung ibang opportunities. So might as well parang ibaling mo yung tingin mo doon sa bagay na meron ka, kasi maaaring meron pang ibang pagkakataon or oportunidad na magbubukas para sa'yo. Justice, this is clarity, balance, harmony. And I think in the next 30 days, maayos mo yung flow ng bagay-bagay sa buhay mo. Let's say, yung finances mo. In the next 30 days, makakabalik ka na doon sa flow ng expenses tsaka ng income mo. Mababalanse mo na. You have the Six of Swords. So some of you Capricorn, nasa transition period kayo. If you feel like parang things are a bit challenging ngayon, napakabigat, ayan no, the Three of Swords. Some of you are feeling that pain. Umiiyak kayo ng walang nakakakita. It's sad, nakakalungkot. Maaring may mga pinagdadaanan kayo, personal na problema. But, you know, everything is going to be okay. Umaalis ka na sa ganyang sitwasyon. You are going towards a better situation sa buhay mo. You just have to be more patient. 'Di ba? The Seven of Pentacles is about waiting for fruition. Ace of Swords, there's a new beginning, a new idea na mag-open up para sa'yo, na magbibigay sa'yo ng financial stability or stability in your life in general. So, kapit lang, okay? Mahirap man sa ngayon, no? Para sa iba, challenging man, but that's the process na kailangang pagdaanan. Some of you, maaring lalabas with friends, you will connect to new contacts, social media, and may mga illusions kasi rito, Capricorn. Maaring meron kayong mga iniisip na as if everything is okay, pero hindi pala. So, ground yourself. Tingnan mo ang paligid mo, ano nangyayari? Ano yung dapat mong gawa ng paraan? Minsan kasi tinatakasan natin yan. Akala natin matatakasan natin, pero andyan yung reality eh. Some of you are going to enter a contract, agreement. This can be a relationship. Yung iba, pasok sa romantic connection. Yung network mo, Capricorn, is going to help you. Okay? If you're someone na merong mga kakilala, try to contact them, talk to them, and ask for help if you need help. Ang tulong, hindi lang yan financial. Pwedeng, referrals, or someone who will give you advice, guidance. Someone is willing to help. Okay? And your community, yung network mo, is going to be very helpful sa'yo. Kailangan mo lang talagang mag-explore. What else for Capricorn in the next 30 days? Someone here is going to end a relationship. May breakup, separation. Maaring yung iba sa inyo, marriage pa to, no? Or can be a serious relationship na you feel like, it's time to let go. May mga nanonood sa inyo. Pinapanood ko ano nangyayari sa buhay niyo. So if you're someone na parang gusto mong protectionan yung energies mo, yung mga plano mo, just keep it to yourself. Some of you kasi frustrated sa relationship. Pakiramdam niya parang walang nangyayari sa relasyon niyo. Money, career, finances, you have the Three of Wands. May growth. May growth dito, Capricorn. I think you just need to move forward. Kung ano yung mga na-miss out mo, yung nangyari na in the past, tapos na yon, i-let go mo na yon. Focus on the now. Focus on ano yung magagawa mo for your career, for your business, for your finances. Sa love life, Six of Cups, Seven of Pentacles, and the Emperor. So, maaring iba sa inyo nasa isang relationship na Yung parang nagsistay lang kayo because you feel like there is an order sa relationship na yun. Pero maaring hindi na ganun ka lalim yung connection mo with that person that you're dealing. Parang kang may hinihintay na hindi maibigay. Maari ring merong issue sa past relationship na nakakagulo sa present connection, relationship ng iba sa inyo. Garden, something lovely will grow from this. Oh, may new beginning. Kung ano man tong sinisimulan mo, inaayos mo, sinusubukan mo, inaaral mo, pagpatuloy mo lang. Kasi ito ay mag-grow. Makikita mo yung resulta niyan in the next 30 days. Okay? So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.